Okay, guys. Having like severe video maker's block, so I figured, you know, while I try to come up with an idea and you know stuff, why not start the commenting for the Uncle Cow birthday special? This will give everyone a month to post their request. Um, Not asking for gifts. No, don't. Yeah, no trolls. I'm not trying to do that. Someone left that comment on the last one. I blocked them and deleted it. Um, but yeah, guys, not asking for gifts. This is for fun. Okay, I always do this for fun. I've been doing this since I think the conception of the Uncle Cow channel. Okay, so any martial arts technique you want to ask about, anything about disabilities, anything about the Uncle Cow life, anything Uncle Cow EDC related, you can ask. Uh, any question that's not YouTube, any question that's YouTube friendly. Let's just say that. Okay. So post your request down below. Uh, I look forward to reading them and uh, responding to them. Due to my schedule around my birthday, I might do a live stream the night before my birthday, the 20th. I haven't figured out yet, but I feel like I can do that. So I'll let you guys know. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It wouldn't be on too late. Um, I was thinking about maybe 7 o'clock on the 20th of February. Uh, let me know if you can hang out there. I think that would be a lot of fun. I'll let y'all know. Leave your requests. And if I do the live stream, people can ask me questions in the live stream as well. So there you go. Uh, yeah, that's all about all, guys. Not much. Um, Maybe an EDC update later this month. I don't know. That seems to upset people. I might stop doing those. I haven't decided yet. And if I think about self defense concept between now and whenever, I'll post it. Thank you all for watching. Uh, I greatly appreciate every view. And like I would say, stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.